Hello and welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your currency in your Guarda wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Guarda wallet app, and once you tap it open you will end up in this page where you need to retype in your password of your wallet to get it unlocked. So once you tap in your password, just press on unlock wallet and you will end up in this page. Simply tap on the settings option and then scroll down below and tap on the local currency option. So from the drop down menu bar, now you can select any of the currency you want to prefer, and in this way you can change your currency in your Guarda wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.